Food photography. Hey guys, what's up? Hey guys, what's going on today? Today we're talking about food photography. No, we're just talking about equipment today. Today I'm only showing you sets of equipment and what lighting I'm using, a little bit about setup. Let's get started with, so first of all, tripod, very essential. I have my main light, main strobe here. It's a Jinbei HD 600. It works 600 watts. It's fine, you know. And if this one is too heavy, sometimes if I'm lazy and a project is like a smaller project, I just use these speed lights from Yono. Bring 2, 3, and whatever. And I have also from Yono the wireless flash triggers here. Triggers and the controller here. I have 2 modifiers here. Sometimes I use those. This is a small honeycomb grid to just give the food some highlights. The functions are basically the same. Maybe this is like it spreads out a smaller stream. Batteries, chargers, batteries, memory cards, a lot of clamps here to tighten things. I have tapes, just one. I have a dust blower, but this is actually pretty useful for food. So you have like food remnants on a plate sometimes, like let's say little pieces of cake or whatever, like remnants of food, you can blow them away without touching it. And I have like a tweezer here. Sometimes it's like really useful, but normally if I have a food stylist, she takes care of that. If you don't have a food stylist, and sometimes you just want to tweak something on your plate, so this is really important. I have paper rolls here, different backgrounds. This is wood, different types of pattern here. I have actual wood boards here, like different types of colors. This is a darker blue, white. They're actually lighter than wood. I think it's artificial wood, like I don't know. It's pretty light. And I have like kitchen towels here for like when you put the dish on it looks. I have an umbrella here for sometimes for fill light. I have a mirror here. It's also good for reflecting the food item as a fill light. Sometimes it's actually stronger than a cardboard here. If you have items like food, meat, like burgers, even if you have this as a reflector card, it doesn't bounce the light very bright. So if you want to use if you need like more bounce light, you use a mirror. So this is a lot stronger. Use a light stands here. I need like 2, 3 of them. I have these really cool wooden boards here. I think these are the real ones. Not really real, but I think they painted it and embossed like additional pattern on it, so it looks more like wood. I don't know how to do this, but this one feels like really real, natural. Diffusing the light, I use this metal frame here. Like I open it and I put a transparent paper to just diffuse the light. I have this, what is this, like plastic I put this on it. I'll show you some pictures there. For the lens, I have this heavy 24-70, which I use sometimes like a wide angle at 24. I use it to shoot bigger items, food items, like a whole set of food. So this comes handy. I have 50mm 1.4. This one is one of my favorite lenses I'm using for food. And I have a 60mm 2.8. This is a very old lens. Look at how beat up this lens is. Like I have to tape this. This one I use primarily for like macro, because it has a macro, like for closer, like small items when I need to get really close. Because the 50mm you can't really get too close. I have an 85mm here as well. 1.8 for the body. I'm using the D810 and the D800 as a backup. Well, that's pretty much it. So yeah, this is the set that I'm using when I shoot food for a restaurant, whatever. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next time.